Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our new vent window assemblies for the 68 to 77 Broncos. These are correct for the later 68 to 77 models. They can be used on the earlier 66 to 67 Broncos, but they do have the 68 to 77 style handle. Original vent windows on the early Broncos are known for rusting, having warped frames and hinges. Lower pivots may also be bent or rusted off completely. The glass may be cracked, clouded, or even missing. Dennis Carpenter now offers a solution for all these problems with our brand new high-quality vent window assemblies. To suit the look you're going for, they are offered in either a highly polished stainless steel or a satin black powder-coated stainless steel. Available for both the left and right-hand sides, our assemblies include the frame with the factory brackets, the rubber weather stripping, the glass frame with safety vent glass, chrome vent window handles, all assembled and ready to install with the including mounting hardware. Manufactured in the USA by Dennis Carpenter using the highest quality materials available, ensures you of a quality product with a factory fit and finish. So if you're restoring a classic Bronco and your vent windows need some TLC, these vent windows from Dennis Carpenter will help you get your project back to showroom condition. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.